everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous pop-up card for Teachers Day, which you can open it like this and it will spin with other message thank you. So first is best teacher, and after opening it will look like the thank you panel. And I will also share how to decorate the left side using beautiful handmade paper quilling flowers, how to make this beautiful handmade pattern paper, and when you open the flap you can write the special message to your teacher. Isn't it a great and unique idea? And I'm sure your teacher will like this very much. So without taking much time, just start with the procedure. So here I am taking 28 by 14 centimeters white color cardstock, and I am just folding this from center, burnish it nicely. Then here I have marked at 7 centimeters, that is in the center, and using 4 centimeter radius I have made one semicircle exactly in the center. Now we just need to cut this semicircle using paper cutter. Erasing the pencil markings and embossing the top and the bottom center line using ball tool. So making the crease here, again erasing the pencil markings, and then we just need to fold this panel like this. And our beautiful flip and twist card is completely ready. Now it's time to decorate this with pattern paper. So first of all, I am here taking 180 GSM light blue color cardstock. I have already cut it according to the size of the card base, and I am decorating my card using this blue cardstock. Similarly, decorating the right side. And then here I am taking one circular purple color cardstock shape, which is little smaller than the previous shape, and I am sticking it exactly in the center. Now just flipping the card and sticking one more circle in the front, and on the front circle I am attaching here some pieces of cardboard as a back support to give dimension to the circular shape. Now on the right side I am going to add one blue color paper, and for this I am creating the joint. For this I am taking here 3 by 13.6 centimeter blue cardstock, folded it from center, and then taking 13.6 by 13.6 blue cardstock square, connecting this panel like this. And then sticking the other side with the base. So it will work like the flap, the hidden flap. Then inside the card I am adding one purple color cardstock, which is 13.6 by 13.6 centimeters. And now this is the space where you can add the special message to your teacher. And our beautiful card is completely decorated with pattern papers. Now it's time to decorate the pattern paper with our hand painted design. So here I am taking this brush marker pen by Domes and just creating some small daisy flowers using blue color pen randomly. Then in the center I am creating the circle using purple color marker. Then using my white acrylic marker and making some circular shapes randomly. And then making some leaf patterns using grey color marker. Similarly, I have decorated the left side panel, so creating leaves here also. And this is done. Then it's time to attach a sentiment in the front panel, that is best teacher. So I have cut these small alphabets using alphabet die by Dress My Craft, and I have added here total 3 layers for each alphabet to give it little dimension. All the supply links are given in description box. If you want to purchase anything, you can check there, and don't forget to check my coupon code for extra discounts. So for the teacher word, I am assembling in a zigzag manner. Then making one line on the top and connecting best. So this is done. Then on the edge I am decorating with white marker and making some dash lines. And this is done. Looking very pretty, and inside the card I have added the sentiment thank you using same die set and decorated with same way. So our card base is completely ready. Now it's time to decorate this with handmade paper quilling flowers. So for my first flower here I am taking 1/4 strip of medium blue color and making one teardrop shape. This is 3 mm strip. Connecting one more teardrop which is made using light blue color in 1/4. Then wrapping this whole petal using purple colored strip, and one petal is ready. Now I'm joining total 9 petals together to create the flower. And for the center of the flower, here I am taking half strip of purple color and making one tight coil. Connecting it in the center of the flower, and this is done. With the same method, I have prepared 2 more flowers. So we need total 3 flowers for today's project. Then to start with another flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light purple and 1/8 strip of dark purple, making one tight teardrop shape, joining 5 petals together and making a flower. In the center of the flower, I am adding tight coil, which is made using 1/4 strip of medium blue color. And the flower is ready. With the same way, I have prepared 3 more flowers. So we need total 4 flowers. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of grey green color and making simple leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves already. Now taking back my card, and one by one I am starting with the decoration work. First I am attaching bigger flowers, and then I'll add the small flowers and the leaves. Then randomly I am adding some blue color stones here and there. Like this. And then at the end I am adding this cute satin ribbon blue color bow in right corner. The right corner was looking a little empty, so I thought to add beautiful bow. It will enhance the beauty of the card. It will give little shabby chic look, and also it will fill the gap. Looking so cute and pretty. I like to dry. And our beautiful greeting card for Teachers' Day is ready with little pop-up touch. So you can make in different colors or the favorite color of your teacher and gift it to your favorite teacher in upcoming Teachers' Day. I'm just loving the outcome so much, and of course you can write the special message to your favorite teacher inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly. And if you have any new ideas of making new projects, just comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.